Hey teachers! So, kumusta po kayong lahat? And now, isa po sa pinaka-inaabangan natin, yung ating paggawa ng mga NCOYs in preparation for reclassification or ranking for higher teaching positions. So, ang una po nating mapakita ngayon, as you can see, is yung ating mga NCOYs needed sa ating Career Stage 3, MT1 and MT2. So, ito po na ating mga objective number, ito po yung ating magiging guide. For example, if you're going to apply for MT2, itong objective 1.2.3, 4.4.3, 6.1.3, 6.3.3, and 7.4.3 sa ating PPST, yung inyong mga kailangan i-prepare. So, sa mga mag-a-apply dyan, panoorin nyo po itong video natin because we are going to give you our suggested MOVs along NCOYs. So, kung kayo po ay mag-a-apply, ito po ang form na inyong gagawin. So, ito po yung ating portfolio assessment form if ever you're going to apply. So, ipapakita nyo po yung inyong mga MOVs, yung inyong mga NCOYs from your portfolio. One way to do this is for you to have already the NCOYs, yung inyong mga MOVs along NCOYs. So, ito pong ating video ay medyo series of videos kasi hindi po kakasya sa isang video yung bawat objective or indicator. So, ang mauna po, for example, unahin natin yung Master Teacher 2. If you are a Master Teacher 1 and you are planning to apply for Master Teacher 2, ito po yung mga kailangan. By the way, teachers, ito po pala ay pwede nyo ring makita sa ibang indicator sa higher teaching position. So, mas maganda panoorin nyo na lang po. So, una muna is indicator 1.2.3. Along this, ito po yung talagang eksaktong MOVs na hahanapin sa inyo. So, dapat po ito ay nakaready na sa inyong mga portfolio. And for the sake of enriching our MOVs, naglagay po ako dito ng dagdag na supporting MOVs related to the indicator. Now, after that, dapat po ay mayroon itong description of the MOVs presented. Sa actual po, this will be asked to be written or to be accomplished during the actual assessment. Kayo po maglalagay nito mismo. So, this one po is just the suggested description. Pwede nyo po itong baguhin. This is aligned with the MOVs asked dito po sa kaliwa. Then, ito po din na annotation, kayo din po maglalagay nito. And again, this is just a sample. Alright, so let us move on to the MOVs, sample MOVs. So, unahin natin ang proof of attendance in coaching and mentoring sessions, meetings, or LAC sessions. So, kahit alin po dyan pwede, magpakita po kayo ng MOVs or since ito ay tapos na po, so, i-attach na lang dyan. So, ito po yung sample natin dyan. Mentoring session on the application of research to enrich content knowledge and pedagogy during classroom observation. So, we have here the date. So, here is the mentoring session. So, this usually happen if ever the master teacher visited a proficient teacher or even a colleague. So, there is an introduction. So, pwede nyo po dyan ipakita. Ipabrowse ko lang po siya baba and ilalagay nyo lang po. And as you can see here, there is the mentioning of the research theories wherein this one is beneficial and this one is the targeted objective being asked in the given indicator. So, yan. So, I already here, I highlighted. Naka-highlight na po dyan. This aligns with the current research which emphasizes the effectiveness of hands-on, etc. Then, yan po yung mentoring session. This can be done in a narrative form. And here, don't forget, this can be some sort of another supporting document, the signature of the attendees. And of course, you as the mentor and with the principal. Next, it should be backed up with the performance monitoring coaching form. with annotation. Okay, so here are the supporting MOVs. Pakita ko na lang po siya. Since I conducted a research, I included it here. So sa mga nagtatanong po, sa mga nakagawa ng research, paano ba nila maisasama? So this one will give you an idea na yung ating mga ginawang research ay pwede rin palang gamitin. So this should be highlighted as what you can see in the monitor. Okay. Then another one, if there is a narrative report, then another highlighted area, another MOV. So these are just of some of the supporting documents. Okay. Alright. So again, medyo madami po siya, 18 pages. So these are just some of the MOVs that will support your indicator 1.2.3. So ano bang pinaka key area dito? Dito sa ating NCOY, these MOVs should have the areas kung saan makikita that as master teacher, you collaborated with your colleagues or co-teachers. This can be within the school, within the district, or even in the division as long as it satisfies the objective needed or being asked. So, kanina po, pinakita natin ang reflection notes and so on. Okay, so that's it. This is our indicator 1.2.3.